Hey guys, and welcome back to my channel. Today we're here because we're going to be unboxing my January Young Living Subscribe to Save order. And I also have a box here with some loyalty rewards points items that I decided to spend some of my loyalty rewards points on. So real quick, for those of you who don't know, Young Living is an essential oil company. However, they have lots of oil infused products. They have household cleaning products. They have personal care products for men, women, children, babies, and even your pets. They have nutritional items and supplements, and everything is essential oil infused. So each month I spend at least $50 on Young Living products because I am participating in their Subscribe to Save program. And so as a Young Living member, I get 24% off of the retail cost of items. And then because I participate in the Subscribe to Save program, I get an additional 25% back on the total cost each month that I spend. And I can bank those points to spend on free items whenever I want. So like I said, this is a combination of my January Subscribe to Save order, and then I have some of the free items that I received by using my loyalty rewards points. So we're going to get into the box to see what I got. So we're going to start off with the box that has my Subscribe to Save order. And so each month I basically go in and I can change the items that I get sent to me each month. And usually it's a combination of essential oils, personal care products, and household cleaning products. And so I'm pretty sure this is just a lot of personal care products, but we'll get into it and see. So I've got my packing slip, got some of the packing paper. And so the first item I see is the Young Living Art Refreshing Toner. So I use Young Living's art products for my morning routine when I wash and moisturize my face. So I love the Art Refreshing Toner. It says, Art Refreshing Toner gently tones without drying the skin. The perfect blend of essential oils leaves your face clean and refreshed. And let's see what kind of essential oils it has in it. It has Royal Hawaiian Sandalwood, Peppermint, Frankincense, Lavender, Lemon, Melissa, and then some green tea leaf extract in there. So I really like this, and so I usually have to order this about every other month. So I usually rotate between the refreshing toner, like I'm getting it this month, and then next month I would get the Art Gentle Cleanser. And so Art is supposed to stand for age refining technology from what I understand, and so I really love the way that this makes my skin feel. So that's my first item. The next item that I see is an item that my husband is currently using, and so it is the CitrusFresh Deodorant. Now, normally he likes to use the Mountain Mint deodorant, but it's been out of stock lately. So this is kind of like the second scent that he likes to use. And so these are deodorants that are aluminum free and paraben free. And so he was having a lot of trouble with like the conventional deodorants that you get at the grocery store, just kind of breaking out his underarms and things like that. So he has some sensitive skin, so we really like that. Let me read to you what it says about that real quick. All right, so CitrusFresh Deodorant delivers all the benefits of traditional deodorants without any harsh chemical additives. Synthetic ingredients can disturb the skin's delicate microbiome, leaving your skin vulnerable to external and environmental factors. CitrusFresh is clinically shown to help maintain this balance in your microbiome, giving you the protection and confidence you deserve. So it says that it's infused with clove and cinnamon essential oils, so that's a good one for him, and he really likes it. So we usually end up getting one of these almost every month. And then I have a couple of tubes, and these are probably some of my essential oil staples. So let's see, pretty sure that's what's in here. So the first one is the Raven Essential Oil Blend. And so Young Living has essential oil singles, which are essential oils that are only one type of oil. Like for example, they have orange essential oil, and all that you're going to have in that is orange essential oil. But they also have a ton of different blends, and so a blend is a combination of several essential oils put together. And Raven is one of my favorites that I tend to use a lot during the fall and the winter months because it's really good for opening up the respiratory system and supporting that. So let me read to you the ingredients that are in Raven essential oil. So Raven essential oil comes in a 15 milliliter size. Young Living's essential oils come in two sizes. They have the 5 milliliter bottles and they have the 15 milliliter bottles. And so this is the bigger bottle. And it says Raven is a cleansing blend of Ravensara, peppermint, eucalyptus radiata, and other essential oils. Raven creates a cooling sensation when applied topically to the chest and throat. And it says that you can diffuse it, directly inhale, or dilute with V6 vegetable oil complex and apply topically. And so the ingredients are Ravensara, peppermint, eucalyptus radiata, wintergreen, and lemon. And like I said, I really love Raven essential oil for helping to support the respiratory system. So most of the time we diffuse it in our diffusers at night with the Thieves essential oil blend. So like I do a half and half combination of essential oils in my diffuser at night to help support the respiratory system and the immune system. But Raven is also a great essential oil to use to add to some coconut oil and to make your own kind of like chest rub that you would apply to the chest, the throat, the neck, the back, and things like that. So that's another way that you can use the Raven essential oil blend. And then to go with that is the Thieves essential oil blend. And so this is definitely probably one of my favorite essential oil blends. These two definitely are up there for me. So Thieves is one of Young Living's more popular essential oil blends. And let me read to you what it says about Thieves. Again, it's a blend, so it's a combination of different essential oils put together to make the one. All right, so Thieves, again, just like Raven, is a 15 milliliter bottle, and it says Thieves essential oil blend is a powerful combination of clove, lemon, cinnamon bark, eucalyptus radiata, and rosemary essential oils that fills any space with a rich, spicy aroma. As one of our most popular products, it's no wonder that Thieves is included in so many of our home cleaning and personal care products. And they have an entire Thieves line of toothpaste, household cleaning products. There's all kinds of things. They have Thieves mints and everything. So they have a whole line of products surrounded around the Thieves essential oil blend, which is really cool. I've used several of those. And like I said, I like to use equal parts of the Thieves and Raven essential oil blends in my diffusers at night to help support my family's health and wellness. And that seems to be working very well for us right now. And then lastly, I have another tube, but this one doesn't have any essential oils in it. It's another item that my husband loves. And he has a pretty long beard, so he enjoys using the Young Living Shutran Beard Oil. And so this beard oil contains the Shutran essential oil blend that is popular among men. So let me read to you what's in that. All right, so this Shutran essential oil blend that is in that beard oil contains Idaho blue spruce, ocotea, ylang ylang, hinoki, coriander, davana, lavender, cedarwood, lemon, and Northern Lights black spruce, and it smells really, really nice. So he usually goes through one of those bottles monthly, and so I try to put one of those in my subscribe to save order each month. And so I read to you about the Shutran essential oil, but here's what it says about the beard oil. Shutran Beard Oil features the great scent of our original Shutran essential oil blend, specially crafted to soften, condition, and add a healthy looking sheen to facial hair while moisturizing the skin underneath. And it smells really, really good. All right, so this was my subscribe to save order for the month of January. It's pretty small. Like I said, I spend at least $50 each month so I can earn those points back, and I earn those at 25% back. So the benefit of participating in the monthly subscribe to save orders is that you get those points back towards free products. And so the next box that I'm going to open up is all free products. I usually build up my points and then spend them every couple of months to get some of the items that I want to try, or if I'm running out of something that I really need, then I'll use it that way. So again, more packing. We've got our packing slip here. All right, and so the first thing I see is the Cel-Lite Magic Massage Oil, and this is something I have used before. I was running low, so I needed to get it. So this massage oil is supposed to kind of help support your skin. So it comes with a flip top here, but you also get a pump, and I prefer just to use the flip top. I think it's easier to work with. Let me read to you what it says about the Cel-Lite Magic Massage Oil. Now, I have tried the Cel-Lite Magic Massage Oil, the Relaxation Massage Oil, and the Ortho Sport Massage Oil, and I love all three of them. All right, guys, so the Cel-Lite Magic Massage Oil tones and nourishes the skin with pure vegetable oils, vitamin E, and authentic essential oils. Grapefruit oil improves the appearance of skin texture, while juniper oil helps cleanse. And it says massage on locations where a more toned appearance is desired. Shake well before using. So I like to use that after I get out of the shower. I'll apply it to like my stomach, my thighs, and the back of my legs to help with those problem areas that I have. But that's a really nice product to have. So my next free item is something I was running low on, and it is the Inner Defense Essential Oil Supplement, and it says immune system support formulated with Thieves. So again, another Thieves product that is designed to help support your immune system. So let me read to you what it says about Inner Defense. And it's probably my favorite supplement that I use from Young Living. I think I've mentioned this before. I'm a school teacher, so I like to give myself some extra immune support during the school year. So I usually use the Inner Defense supplement during the school year, which is like August to May, and then I take a break during the summer. All right, so Inner Defense contains Young Living's Thieves Essential Oil Blend, which is rich in thymol, carvacrol, and eugenol for immune support. Those are hard words to say. It says to take one soft gel daily in the morning or one soft gel 3 to 5 times daily when stressed. For best results, use Life 9 probiotics 8 hours later. I have a sensitive stomach, so if I take medicine in the morning, I tend to have problems with it hurting my stomach. So I take my medicine at night, and I only take the one Inner Defense supplement pill each night. So it has that Thieves Essential Oil Blend, but it also has what they call the Inner Defense Super Blend, which is, let's see if I can read that. Oregano, thyme, and lemongrass is also in addition to the Thieves Essential Oil Blend. And then last but not least is something that they have been out of stock for quite a while now. And when it came back in stock, I quickly jumped to get it. And so I have very dry skin, and so I love to use the Sandalwood Moisture Cream as my nighttime moisturizer. It just leaves my skin feeling really hydrated and soft, and so I really enjoy this. Let me read to you what it says about the Sandalwood Moisture Cream. All right, so Sandalwood Moisture Cream is a premium hydrating moisturizer infused with pure Young Living essential oils. Massage gently onto face, neck, and other desired areas. Use daily after cleansing and toning your face. And it's just a really nice hydrating moisturizer. If you have oily skin, you may not want to use this because it's super hydrating, but I really like it. And I love the smell of it. It has the sandalwood essential oil in it, and it smells really nice. All right, so the Cel-Lite Magic Massage Oil, the Inner Defense Supplement, and the Sandalwood Moisture Cream were free with my loyalty reward points. And my subscribe to save order was the Art Refreshing Toner, the CitrusFresh Deodorant, the Raven and Thieves Essential Oil Blends, and the Shutran Beard Oil. If you have any questions about Young Living, please let me know. I will leave my membership number in the description box below if you are interested in maybe trying out some of these products for yourself. You can use that membership number to go in and get some items for yourself. So if you have any questions, let me know. And until next time, bye guys.